Hi there. Here's how to do a driving test emergency park. So you're on the test, the examiner, you'll be on a flat surface and he'll say do an emergency stop or do an emergency park. So all you have to do is signal to the right, check the mirror, shoulder get close to the curb or off the road completely, make a complete stop. Put the car into park, and I have two parking brakes here. There's one here and there's another one, and then all you have to do is cancel the signal to the right and put your four-way hazards, and that's all there is to an emergency park. Now the examiner will say, okay, let's go, because that's all you have to do. You're pretending that you have a flat tire or something, or even if a police officer pull you over, this is what you'd classify this as an emergency stop, and that's what you do. Have the flashers going. So anyway, you're on the test, and now he says, okay, let's go. So the first step would be to get rid of the flasher. And of course your foot is on the brake. Place the gear selector to drive, and when I put the gear selector to drive, it automatically cancels the parking brake. So now all I have to do is signal to the left, check the mirror, check the shoulder and the blind spot, then if it's safe I drive off in a straight line. And that's how you do an emergency stop on a driving test or in real life. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.